everybody, it's Tracy. I've got a cameraman today. We're going to be live, do a live tour of this house, and then we're also here to video. We've been doing a video series Beyond the Front Door where we're taking tours of different homes in the area. So we're going to do that as soon as I finish this, and we'll drop that in a few days, maybe a week or so. But I love doing these lives, and the lives get a different, they get somehow differently promoted on Facebook. So we're trying some different things out. So let us know if you like the live format, or if you like the more formal, the ones that you can actually see the house and not up my nose or sideways. But Colton's here today to do some video, so he's going to actually do the live for me, so I don't have to hold the phone. So let's go in Beyond the Front Door, or just go in here and let's take a look at this house. We're actually on East Village Circle, so if you're local, that is east of Big O's off Old Middlesboro Highway, and this is in the Village East subdivision. It's actually the first house as you turn in. So it's a lot, it's a corner lot and a home. So you're actually getting quite a bit of bang for your buck as far as land goes. And you've got just a very level approach. Now the parking right now is on the lower level, you know, around to the side. So you walk up a few steps, easily could be made to ramp in, or you can enter through the basement with no steps. So let's take a look at this house. We got living room here. In true fashion of the time it was built, there's not an overhead light, so it's a little bit dark in here. Except look at all this light. You've got a huge window and great space, and it opens into a dining room. You've got hardwood floors. You've got a dining room here. This is a pretty big table, seats 6, and a hutch. You got a lot of big furniture in here, but windows on each side, so you're really getting a lot of light through here. Here's the kitchen. And the kitchen's got these beautiful wood cabinets. So I'm used to being the one doing this and moving the camera, so it's really nice to have Colton do it. I really appreciate him doing it. You got beautiful wood cabinets. They look to be custom cabinetry, solid surface counter, and door. All right,
we're back.
Are we back? We had a little bit of a moment of I don't know how that's going to rate. I don't know if it's going to catch it back up or not. So we're going to try to finish this up quickly so I don't lose you again. We have bedrooms up here. We have 3 bedrooms, baths up here. And when we do the actual video, we'll insert some pictures. But I will put pictures in the comments. So once I post this, if you go back and find it, I'll post it on my regular Facebook, and then I'll add it to my realtor Facebook. And when I do, I'll post pictures in the comments, because I'm afraid if we get on into here, we're going to lose the service again. And I don't know why we're losing service, because we're right here in town. And I'm sure it's my phone. I'm sure it's, I'm sitting here looking. He's got my phone. And it's still got the Halloween thing on it, but I'm sure it's my phone. Let's go downstairs and look at the rec room. I don't want you to miss that. So you got 5 or 6 steps going here, and then down here we've got, now Colton, let me know if I lose them again, because I lost them once. We've got this huge rec room. We got a fireplace here. They've used this as an office. Around here you've got more space, huge laundry room back here in the corner, and I'll add pictures to all of this. There's a storage building out in the back, and there's so much space here. And if you look at this house on the map, you can see that it has, like I said, the second lot included. We're very well priced. We're great location. The condition is excellent. I really think you ought to take a look at this house. I think it's fabulous. Like I said, we're going to do another video, and we'll post that in a few days, so be watching for it. But are we 121 East Village Circle? I'll put the address in the thing at the top. But before we go, I want to show you one more thing. Look back here. I'm an outside girl, and I would love this space. Look at this. There's that little outdoor building, that little storage shed or detached garage out there. You've got this great space here. You got the mountain views. Truly, it's a great house, and it's cold as crap out here. I'm going back in. Let's go back inside. if you know of somebody in the market that's looking for a house, tag them, link it, just let them know that this house is on the market and it might be the house for them. If you have any comments, let me know. Please share it. Like I said, tag people in the market, and maybe we can find a new person to start their new adventures in this house. Thanks.